We move to the next question. Calculate the first and second order total differentials of the function z is equal to 3x square plus xy minus 2y square. This question has come in Delhi University BCom Honours 1995. What is the solution? The first order total differential of z is, we have to apply this. dz is equal to delta z by delta x into dx plus delta z by delta y into dy. So we calculate delta z by delta x and delta z by delta y. Delta z by delta x. Over here y will be constant. So this will be 6x. Right? This will be y and this will be 0. So the answer is 6x plus y. Now we differentiate this function with respect to y. X will be constant over here. Okay. So this will be 0. This will be x and this will be minus 4y. So the answer is x minus 4y. We put this, whatever results we have got, the partial derivatives, we put this into this formula. So 6x plus y into dx plus x minus 4y into dy. This is first order total differential of z. Now we calculate the second order derivatives. Second order derivatives, we differentiate this with respect to x. So it will be delta square z by delta x square. Y will be constant. We differentiate with respect to x, so this will be 6x and this will be 0, so our answer is 6. We differentiate this with respect to y, so this will be delta square z by delta x into delta y. Right? So our answer will be, this will be 0 and this will be 1, so our answer is 1. Now this has to be differentiated with respect to x and also with respect to y. Right? We differentiate this with respect to x. So it will be delta square z by delta x into delta y. We are differentiating this with respect to x. Right? So our y will be constant. So this will be 0 and this will be 1. So our answer is equal to 1. As you know, these both expressions are same. Delta square z by delta x into delta y, and over here this one delta square z by delta x into delta y. Both are same. We have discussed this in the previous lecture. Now we differentiate this with respect to y. So denominator will be delta y square. Total it will be delta square z by delta y square. X will be constant, so this will be 0 and this will be minus 4. So our answer is minus 4. Now we calculate the total derivative of z. We discussed this formula in the previous lecture. So this is delta square z. This is delta square z by delta x square into dx square plus delta square z by delta y square into dy square plus 2 or twice of delta square z by delta x into delta y into dx into dy. We put all the results whatever we have got in this formula. 6 into dx square plus minus 4 into dy square plus 2 into 1 into dz dx into dy. So our final answer is 6 dx square minus 4 dy square plus 2 dx into dy. This is still here. We complete the first and the second order total differential. In the next lecture, we will be doing the applications of partial differentiation. Thank you.